navitprince.com.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.
Hi guys, today I will teach you how to fix optical mouse.
So guys, mostly there is always have one problem for the cable for the mouse when it's damaged, so your mouse will be not working. So first I'm going to open that one. I will remove that one. You can see that area, yeah. This always, maybe one wire is broken or maybe two wire is damaged from inside. You cannot see from outside. So I will cut that wire and I will put it again. I will remove this all wire. Don't forget to keep in your mind which wire is you are removing from which side. Better you make picture before removing that wire. So I remove these 4 wires from here, yeah. I will cut it, yeah. I cut already and I make again. I'm going to put on the same way and I will make some solder on. Yes, that's good. It's okay now. I'm gonna check this one now. I will close. Better I will close first. So guys, you can see it's working now. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.